So summertime is almost over, and that means it's almost time to go back to school.
And of course, with going back to school comes a lot of preparation, whether you're a student, a parent, or a teacher. So to help you get ready for this new school year, Filmstock has released some new back-to-school themed packs to help you record and make videos of those special school moments. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Filmstock YouTube channel. We are Chris and Christina, and we're here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
Just before we get into this one, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any future tips and tricks videos like this one. To check out the back to school packs on Filmstock, you just need to visit the Filmstock website, type in back to school, and you will see a whole variety of different packs that you can use in your videos. Now there is quite a few of them, so feel free to have a look around and just see which ones will work best for the video that you're creating.
So for the examples in this video, I have used a combination of these packs. So let's have a look at how you can use these packs in your own videos.
You could use these effects to make a really cool school promo video.
If you are a teacher or someone who works for a school, you could make a really fun video of your class or your school. So let's show you how you can make something like this very easily using Filmstock. First, gather the clips you want to include in your video on your timeline. You may want to start with an animated intro, which Filmstock has already included in these packs. So choose the one you like, I chose this one, and add it to your timeline at the beginning. This will set the scene for your video. Next, work through the different sections at the top. We have titles, transitions, effects, and elements. Make sure to do this for each pack and see if there is anything in particular that you like or that would work well for your clips. I thought it was quite a cute idea in the beginning to transition from an empty classroom to a full classroom to mark the beginning of a new year. And I did this by adding this paper airplane transition between the two clips. Then I added any sticker elements or overlays that I liked, like these colored pencils and this overlay to this clip. All you have to do is drag and drop onto your timeline. And I did the same thing here with these two clips. I added a colorful element and the same overlay here to keep the consistency. And I added a very similar paper airplane transition to transition to the final clips, where I added a different overlay and a final title screen with a final message. Add a happy song underneath and you've got yourself a really fun school video. For the next example, I thought about who might enjoy the moment of going back to school best, and that is the parents.
When your child starts school or when they're going back to school, it is a very special moment. And what better way to keep that memory forever than to make a little video out of it? Something you'll be able to look back on in years to come.
So how I made this one was pretty easy. It's all done using only two effects. The main effect is this overlay, then using this title to show a personal message. Place the overlay over your clips on the timeline. You can adjust your video clip if the size or position is not correct. You could also use 2 separate video clips if you wanted to on each page. But for this one, we just position both video clips correctly as they will play one after another in the book. Then I added this title to the timeline and scaled it up a little. Change the text by double-clicking and write your own message that means something to you. Maybe include the date or time so that you can look back and remember that moment. And just like that, you have a super cute memory that you've created for you and for your child or children. So now going back to school has become even more fun with the help of Filmstock.
So that's pretty much it for this one. As we mentioned before, the links to the packs that we used are in the description below. Feel free to get as creative as you want with it.
Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Keep creating and we will see you in the next one.